Hello and welcome in my new video. In this video tutorial I will show you and learn you how you can get more gold for Mafia City game. So I have here modded version of Mafia City, which is Mafia City Plus Plus. It is very cool modded app game in which you can get as much gold as you need for the game. So now I will show you how it works. So let's open the game. Okay, as you can see I have a lot of gold already on my account. Here you can see, and we are now in the shop to buy more gold, but this is a modded version of Mafia City, which is Mafia City Plus Plus, and as you can see every item in the shop costs me exactly $0, as you can see right here, or right here. So if you need to add more gold to your game, just open the store and click on a package that you need. Let's add 10k. Okay, as you can see it is added to my game. Let's add one more, and as you can see, and whatever I click I will get the gold for my game. Let's add it some more. As you can see it is working just great. So this is modded version of Mafia City. As you can see, Mafia City Plus Plus. So now I will close the game, I will delete it, and I will download it again to show you how you can get more gold for Mafia City game. The process is really easy and anybody can do that. This modded version is working for iOS devices. I have here an iPhone, but don't worry, if you have an Android devices it is also working great. But the process to downloading the Mafia City Plus Plus is the same, so I will show you here on my iPhone, but the process is the same for Android devices. So let's close the game. I will uninstall it now. Oh, sorry. Okay, it's removed. So now first you need to go to your browser. Mine is Safari, but it doesn't matter, and go to this website tweaksky.com. tweaksky.com. Hit here, and there is a lot of cool games and apps here modded, but we need Mafia City now. Here is Mafia City Plus Plus free star mod. So click here and click here. The process will take a couple of seconds and I will get back to you when it finished. Okay, so the process is almost finished. Let's wait a little bit longer. Okay, so click here, and don't worry, it will be download. Oh yeah, Mafia City Plus Plus is installed. So click OK, and it should be here on the main screen. As you can see, Mafia City Plus Plus. So this is very easy to get gold, more free gold for Mafia City game. So if you need, and if you have any questions, write in the comment section. I will help you if I can. So thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, and peace out.